Patio doors have become a staple in modern home design, offering a perfect blend of functionality, style, and convenience. Whether you're upgrading your current home or designing a new one, patio doors can transform how your indoor and outdoor spaces connect. Their growing popularity among homeowners is no surprise, as they provide both practical benefits and a visually appealing upgrade. So, what exactly are patio doors? Patio doors are large glass doors that provide access to outdoor areas such as patios, decks, or backyards. They are typically designed with wide glass panels that allow natural light to enter your home while offering clear views of the outside. The most common types include sliding patio doors, which glide horizontally along a track, and hinged patio doors, often referred to as French doors, which open inward or outward like traditional doors. One of the main reasons patio doors are so popular is their ability to enhance natural light. The large glass panels allow sunlight to flood into your living space, making rooms feel brighter and more inviting. This increased natural light can make even smaller areas feel more open and spacious, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere throughout your home. Another major benefit is the way patio doors create a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor living spaces. Modern homeowners value open, flowing layouts, and patio doors help achieve that by visually and physically linking your interior with your outdoor environment. Whether you're entertaining guests or enjoying a quiet evening, this connection makes your home feel more expansive and versatile. Patio doors are also known for their space-saving design, especially sliding models. Unlike traditional doors that require clearance to swing open, sliding patio doors move along a track, making them ideal for areas where space is limited. This practical feature allows you to maximize your floor space while still enjoying easy access to the outdoors. Energy efficiency is another reason patio doors have become a popular choice. Modern designs often include features like double or triple pane glass, insulating gas fills, and low-E coatings. These elements help reduce heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. In addition, tightly sealed frames prevent drafts and improve overall insulation, contributing to lower energy bills and increased comfort. From a design perspective, patio doors offer versatility and customization. They are available in a variety of styles, materials, and finishes to match your home's aesthetic. Whether you prefer a sleek, contemporary look or a more traditional design, patio doors can be tailored to complement your space. Frame materials like vinyl, fiberglass, and aluminum provide durability while offering different visual options. Security is another important consideration, and modern patio doors are designed with this in mind. Many come equipped with advanced locking systems, reinforced glass, and sturdy frames that provide enhanced protection. This ensures that you can enjoy the benefits of large glass doors without compromising your home's safety. Patio doors also contribute to improved ventilation. When opened, they allow fresh air to flow freely into your home, helping reduce indoor humidity and improve air quality. This is especially beneficial during mild weather when you want to enjoy natural airflow without relying on your HVAC system. Another reason homeowners love patio doors is their ability to increase property value. Their modern appeal, combined with practical benefits like energy efficiency and improved lighting, makes them an attractive feature for potential buyers. Installing patio doors can enhance your home's overall look and make it more competitive in the real estate market. Maintenance is relatively simple as well. Modern patio doors are built with durable materials that resist wear and tear, requiring only basic cleaning and occasional upkeep. This makes them a convenient option for homeowners who want long-lasting performance without constant maintenance. In the end, patio doors are more than just an entryway. They're a design feature that enhances how you live in your home. By bringing in natural light, connecting indoor and outdoor spaces, and improving energy efficiency, they offer a range of benefits that suit modern lifestyles. If you're looking to upgrade your home with a feature that combines beauty and practicality, Patio doors are a smart and stylish choice that delivers lasting value.